This city once fed millions. Now it feeds no one. But hunger still lingers, quiet, patient, like a shadow beneath your ribs. To survive here, you must learn to eat like a predator, not with teeth and thorns, but with eyes, instinct, and silence. In this dead city, food isn't found, it's earned. Forget what you knew about food. Forget the comfort of aisles, brands, and expiration dates. Here, instinct replaces nutritional facts. You don't choose your food, you choose ruins. A half-empty can beneath the rubble. Wild greens are reclaiming the parking lot. The smell of rust, mingling with the wet soil, is your new grocery store. You're no longer shopping, you're listening. Nature doesn't die, it waits. Even here, beneath the bones of civilization, life finds a way to whisper. Dandelions break through the concrete. Purple leaves creep across the sidewalks. Where gardens once bloomed, wild onions hide. They say weeds are unwanted plants. But in this dead city, weeds are edible defiance. A handful of green grass can signal another sunrise. A broken water pipe becomes a stream. A rooftop garden, long forgotten, becomes a feast for those who remember where to look. The city may have fallen, but it still feeds those who respect its silence. Cleaning is not desperation. It is discipline, the patience to see value where others saw ruin. Rust does not mean ruin. Dust does not mean death. Even a grain of rice becomes sacred when it is the last. You don't ask, is it safe? You ask, is it enough? What remains of the old world is the harvest of the new world. And in that flicker, that fragile moment of warmth, you're no longer starving. You are alive. Eating in ruins isn't about taste, it's about memories. Every bite is a prayer for survival. Every bite, a memory of a world that thought it would last forever. You don't chew because it tastes good. You chew because it means you can still chew. The hunter doesn't feast, he honors, because ultimately, food isn't what keeps you alive. It's the act of not giving up. The dead city teaches you what hunger truly is. Not just hunger for food, but hunger for meaning, for purpose, for something unspoiled within you. In the end, the hunter becomes the city. He breathes its dust. He eats its silence. He carries its ghosts. And somehow, amidst all that emptiness, life begins again. The hunter doesn't wait for rescue. He becomes his own salvation. If you ever find yourself in a place where you've forgotten what life feels like, remember this: you don't need abundance. You need awareness. You don't need the world for food. You just need to remember how to hunt.